Today is March the 5th, 2019, and it is National Pancake Day. I've been using this recipe for over 25 years and it is a family favorite. Fluffy, moist pancakes every single time. Check out my recipe on my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, a full step-by-step video tutorial. You'll need 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And if you are visiting my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button and also click the alert bell, which will notify you each time I upload a brand new video. And you can also find me on my Facebook page, facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. Every single recipe that is on my YouTube channel is also on my Facebook page. And if you're on Pinterest, you can check me out there as well, at BakeLikeAPro. I have almost 800,000 monthly viewers.